Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to CC someone in a reply on Gmail. This quick guide will make sure your emails reach everyone who needs to be in the loop, perfect for both work and personal conversations. First, open your Gmail account and find the email you want to reply to. Click on it to open the conversation, then look for the reply icon, usually a curved arrow pointing left. Clicking this opens a new window where you can type your response. Now, here's the key part. In the draft window, click on the To field. This will reveal additional options, including CC. Click on CC and a new field appears just below the To field. Here, you can add the email addresses of anyone you want to carbon copy. These people will get a copy of your email without being the main recipient. It's a simple way to keep others informed without expecting a reply from them. Next, type out your response in the main body of the email. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and informative. Once your message is ready, double check that all To and CC addresses are correct. Finally, hit send and your email with everyone CC'd is on its way. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to CC someone in a Gmail reply. It's a small step that can make your email communication much more effective. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.